If you want to add a photo to a contact on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Next, on the home screen, we're gonna tap on View Contacts in this place, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and choose Contacts here. Select the contact for which you want to add an image or a photo, and tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. Here we have the picture in calling card, so we can tap on the picture. Then we can open the camera right now in order to take a photo. You can also open the gallery and choose a picture from your gallery. We can also go to Google Photos, choose a monogram, illustrations, and so on. So in my case, I'm just gonna open the gallery, and then from the gallery, we can choose the photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can zoom in and zoom out, adjust the photo how you wish it to look like. We can also rotate the photo in case you need to, and tap on choose at the bottom of the screen, and then also save in the upper right corner. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.